Karbi Anglong News Channel kelang arado anaphanta nilihin pen adap kimi akardom nang pachir iglo kardom. Pini Karbi Anglong News Channel abirta than ponji bang nilimen sami merjilin hansepi non birta angton pen arjuponik tha.
Parokrisir Kepra Troxir Kepra Po Mate 1995 Aninkan ASDC KSA KNCA NCH SF Kachitok MOU Ajakong Assam Government Chepon Tulap La Apotsi XEM Rensing Bepen Kwati High Court along PIL Pidam Dedlo Sita Laso Assam Government upon PIL Kipipen Putot Ke Haidet Aputaksi Perang Kamai Kang Nipo Patumi jak Hongpo ni pai Kriser Kep Ninkan Surihinira Inkora Pliarni Kiruni Agriculture IBLong XEM Rensing Bepen 1995 1st April ASCC KSA KNCA NCH SF Pen MOU Kachitok Ajakong Assam Government Pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Ajakong Nangchi Entulap Aputak XEM Rensing Bepen Guwahati High Court along Assam Government upon PIL Pidam Dedlo Pia Potsi Guwahati High Court along Assam Government upon PIL Kipidam Nang Kokloma Laki 1995 1st April MOU Kachitok Tang Ajakong Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council upon Department Thongkep Dolo Sita me Laso Department Thongkep ta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council upon Malomso Kosi Assam Government atum Jakong Nang Pichot Api Assam Government atum Jakong Chepon Tulap Apotsi Guwahati High Court along PIL Pidam Nang Koklo Laso PIL Kipipen non Putot Guwahati High Court Pen Putot Jakong Nang P2YC Department Thongkep ta Aprang ASTC KSA KNCA NCH SF Pen MOU Kachitok Duntang Ajakong Horang Ako Jeparang Pon Long Pime Popusi Ake Hai XEM Rensing Bepen Perang Kiamai Along Pen Pachetang Po Ahok Pet La Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Department Thongkep Assam Government Jakong Horang Nangchi Wung Tulap Aputake Non Kachari Bom Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Atumsi Chesongsi Chehang Nangche Podlo Sita me non XEM Rensing Besi Chesong Pensi Puto Department Thongkep Ajakongta Nang Pachiroi tu Texer ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Pen Akero Pidang Chia Podlo La Pen Karbi Anglong Angkang Pipentame Akachoro Pipajurdam Nang Chia Podlo Kelong Tang Aok Pang Boetlo Sita me Kang botang ok ta putot chilong tuloki Karbi Anglong Angkang Pipen Mamat Akehai XEM Rensing Beapan Ningching Dukvek Nangji Tangte Akehai XEM Rensing Bepen Assam Government upon Guwahati High Court along PIL Kipidam Pen Ke Haidet Aputak Alamte Kethanle Angton Pen Arjuponik Sinang Kheroni Pen Kam Singh Dera Report Karbi Anglong News Channel
Nili kedamtang ningkan tharu hinira ningkan suri hinira ningkan kore hini 2022 ningkan Assam Sarkar atum Karbi Anglong allo ba Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council nang ketek tang subject mokha nang chi phudun baret nang chi jokdun baret walam pen Guwahati High Court along Malaysia PIL akes iglo Lapen lasokes pidet pen kedamtang ningkan isira event angbong penangam kacingki jingwai dulo High Court long laso High Court long jingwai dat apsiaban ke non alam kerai abang atumidik si nang leiglo tarik soksiar ni asi laso alam rai ateng pen pulo ke non bang ke Karbi Anglong along kedua department 1995 aningkan ke cetok MOU along nang kidun a department Thongkep lalu Thongkep a department amangta Assam government atum non ke puthot nang ci yokdun delo nang ci pudun delo kusi non bangke Assam government ukil tumbang High Court long lamjak cipilo lasi pini pen bangke Karbi Anglong ta lahaya department bangke Constitution Amendment 1995 aningkan 6 sidul long ducok joine si laso department ahem fu abang ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council si plan datlo lasi laso a department mukha bangke non directorate mukha dak doi ko agriculture from the agriculture department ta directorate ko industry from the industry long ta directorate ko laso na kasi asitina department ta directorate ko lapen head of department ko bangka non dak ko lapen lamangso department ma bulu kedu asakuri bakuri pencenglok ke Anton ta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council si sakuri bakuri menek contract settlement lahiran ta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council si ini kan ke klaim pongong ko la solam si nondak nongklan atema 95 MOU atut ke sign along the night lang o emateng o pulong te principal secretary pencenglok departmental head of Tumhananta appointment ki pi banke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council se appointment ki ko lapen labangso directorate under particular isia bisaralam agriculture pulante agriculture directorate long lada ke doji atum lapen aperan officer ko an maduji ko ana employees doima mahaya employee ana mangta mane laso directorate kana pensi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council si labangso appointment mokha banke bilong po lapen state government tum bangke non ke nang chiyo hundelo asona taksi la department thongke pa bangta non bangke constitution on bicho jele si la so bangke ahem fu bangke council naglo councilor te at pensi non masuli ko non education pulong te director secondary education pusito nai polo sita dom dake il tum hauswa agreement teng pulong te additional director pusito ko additional director of secondary education pupo so director power teng si laso additional director banke lada banke power banke exercise ko athi laso teng si lapan ke empowered ko lalo lasi state government atum ban nange thakun la hello state government nungi pula hello at this stage Land Council appearing for the respondent state has submitted that as per the stand of the state government the memorandum of settlement 2011 arrived at between the state government KAC and other stakeholders is to be honored and till then the state government has not attempted to transgress over the rights of the KAC on the allotted subject and in future also the state government is bound to honor the conditions laid down in the memorandum of settlement 2011 in its full letter and spirit. Lason sido. Lapen ako duslang central government atuma part mangalo Land Council appearing on behalf of the respondent Union of India has also issued this court that so far as the action required to be taken by the Union of India in terms of the Memorandum of Settlement 2011 are concerned, the process is going on and the central government shall take every possible step to abide by the term and conditions of the Memorandum of Settlement 2011. Labanke 2011 Memorandum of Settlement maki UPDS lapen DSD itu ke sign agreement lo. Nasi hal so putak Union government dumata ke claim je fan tisik bomlo ba claim bomlo pusi alam dumata. Nasi la so teng lo pun da ili tumum dak kenanya bangke semet ke Union government tuma apartment kali. Mungkin tak minor modification do lang 2011 ko jaga din tokat lo. Kita jaga din lo bangke 1995 pusi tok lagi MOU. Nasi laso modification do lang already high court long. Laso order correction mangi cingkiat lo. Ukil lalu. Nasi laso teng lo long de non bangke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council bangke powerful pikuni ponar ni tengki lo. Lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ke isi alam pudamang punong te isi Koloma legislative assembly tang ulahaya subject nangai dundu lasi hal haya pansi itu inherent subject pulo sita 1995 adengkan ASTC KSA and Hill Students Federation Dimasa Students Union atumpen kajetok MOU ateng abang aputaksi 1st April cetok lo lasupen 12 April ni lasu ciklo thor mase tarik ini 12 April ni Assam Legislative Assembly lo isi consensus isi autonoma resolution denglo hala solution maheno je MOU long kecek tang additional subject thongkep aputhaga executive power banke ini ben banke state government atung banke exercise selo laso power banke karmeno autonomous council tumsi executive power exercise populo laso teng pensi puthot laso ninkan masi 1995 aninkan masi 6 schedule to the Constitution of India. Paragraph 3 along amendment dolo laso amendment pensi जैसे मेरे बन के मन 7 schedule union list state list lapen concurrent list pulo lake thoma list longpen union government atumpen state atum constitution si kachirap mal pipina subject mane road bridges ulahai do mati water lahaya aya subject do lasi union government atum state atum constitution mage thak also atensi union government list penta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council penta state apan ke thak atensi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council penta thak lapan ke state list penta laswa amendment longsi 9 paragraph 3 6 dulu paragraph 3 long lahaya subject state list lapan concurrent list mukha penta tak pilih terlo lasi sole authority ke lage Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lo lasi for 1951 hudle lapan pana subject ke inherent subject portion athase additionally 30 hala aphaing si cap subject do bolonte non api thong cap on all together lage thi cap po laso thi cap subject banke inherent subject lo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lasi ladak si director ta dopo ladak si appointment ta dopo ladak si kadu ko ya kam dakken laso hem fu banke lage state government ka ilo state government tum ke dakke nang chulu ko lasi nilia ko ipi bange lahelo state government atum hinpen lahaya department mokha long nang che job dun barat kus nilia ko ipi direct recruitment commission dolo penana sakori bakori pion sokidar sakori kipi lahaya anda state government dun cherai dalo arus lang tum frame lo ana halam national livestock mission kolong da penana arus lang tum frame lo sitala ta veterinary department a directorate da Karbi Anglong si dona insta state government ban si claim baret lo lasi nono bange claim no lo la state government che chaklo nono bange claim kilo si la high court long bange la che chaklo lasi la hello high court case bange judiklo la pen lo mage puji non ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council bange powerful lo lasi nili pubom 1969 aninkan Assam Reorganization Act udolo halaswa act pen ke plan autonomous state Meghalaya Sorapam autonomous state pilo Meghalaya Sorapam autonomous state pi hudu banke subject pi kusada legislative power mukha banke fully pipe se agriculture pulo the agriculture ke certain area nge Assam government dumsi rules ban claim sita certain area banke Meghalaya autonomous council state dumsi lamang so power banke exercise legislative power banke jolason sita non Karbi Anglong lo laso 95 anikan ke do laso constitution amendment na joine banke lahaya subject ke bandet plus da Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lo nang app lapen ladak banke state government tum ke nang chudun ko ya thai tabe state government tum nang chudun ko ya thai tabe legislative power ta nang autonomous executive power nang autonomous lasi laso nang autonomous le si nono banke laso additionally 30 subject bangka lama constitution of pi mana lutang nang lutti lang dolang hai mana lutle dolang da pi mana lutang ana banke lagi inherent subject lo Karbi Anglong inherent subject lo laso department ahin thuke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lo lasi nilining khelo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ACM ke hai mata lahai lamte mata tabli ko kusini khelo lapen rapjin pen lahaya directorate office mokha tada kapedui afam alang tum kengkam dengpon ko usin thelo lapen laswa puthak long ka chingbai chingsai long upima kenang sop kedulang nani ko kene jong sin tum confusion dolang long te ile tum laswa mokta ka chingbai chingsai pen ile tum labang cepat clear melo sida Assam government da ini Islam punang pro da ari chirung koklo Assam government to mari chirung koklo ne nang tumalong itu nang chipudung ji ku kabo ie bang chok chedat lo lasi pini berke itu nang chipudung de lo lapen muke bangia por akut amstame itu labang so ahin long la executive power per legislative power karjang autonomous council pan ko amana ngi tanga bangke labang itu nang chipudung de lo nang chiyok de lo kusi state government nyanta Injidar. Ape legislative power ke ejak lanam certain laso 30 additional department ng alang tuke legislative power ave. Sita Assam Direct Recruitment Commission ke lage isi legislation. Isi alo selang tuke selang. Lasi laso alo ka selang ke alang tuke ko ave. Lasi laso alo ka selang long bangke alang tu excluding Karbiang long Autonomous Council di Mahasa Autonomous Council, mula son top nang ibu, top dapat. Lasi laso application nang dagwang dulu. Lasi lah itu enforcement. Lasi laso enforcement itu bang lah cokce pulo lasi recall pulo. Recall nang itu pulo laso kupipima cabinet decision itu, constitution kupipima lang untuk kepem, law kupipima lang untuk keselam. Laso ormu bangke nono bangke langsung recall. Review po recall. Langsung sececak.
Pinia berta ke lapuan si kang ton pon iklo do me thak me